Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, a cloud project with billing, and the Cloud SDK installed so commands work locally. Once done, authenticate G-Cloud and set your project ID because every API call maps to it. Then enable Vertex AI and the Gemini model API in the Cloud console. This grants necessary permissions. You do this now to avoid permission errors later. It's faster than debugging access problems mid-build and lets you proceed directly to model instantiation. You now create and configure the Gemini instance. Choose the variant that fits your budget and performance needs, smaller for prototyping, larger for production. Next, deploy the model resource through the console or with G-Cloud AI models deploy, specifying region, compute tier, and any accelerators. Make sure you set auto-scaling and request/response limits so the endpoint handles traffic gracefully. Once deployed, test with a small prompt to validate latency and behavior before integrating into applications. You finish by integrating Gemini into your app using REST calls or official client libraries, and authenticating with an API key or service account. Then run end-to-end tests to validate responses and iterate on prompts, temperature, and token limits to shape output quality. If things fail, inspect IAM roles, quotas, and region mismatches first, then review cloud logging for detailed errors. One key tip: redeploy with verbose logging, enabled to capture runtime exceptions quickly and identify misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.